Hi, welcome back to Not for Lack of Tying, where today I'm going to go over how to tie the Alpine butterfly. Now I've used this in another video where I actually make a butterfly out of rope. I use a little bit of a variation on it in that video, but the basic premise is you're going to take a rope and you're going to try to tie a fixed loop in the middle of that rope. Now what I typically do is grab it with my left hand and twist once, twist twice. Now this space here we have to preserve when we tie the knot. So if you think about someone, maybe a contortionist in the circus, bending forward and putting their head between their legs, I'm going to take that head and bring it back up through that space I preserved earlier. And there we go. We've got the butterfly loop there in the rope. So one more time, if you're holding it in your left hand, twist once right to left, twist twice. Now we've got a figure eight. This bottom part of the 8 has to be preserved as we tuck the rope under and then come up through that bottom part of the 8, and you've got the Alpine butterfly. So I'll link to that other project where I use it to make an actual butterfly, but that's the idea. Hope you enjoyed that, and tune in for more knot videos.